Okay, ladies and gentlemen, double contraction. Okay, so I'm expecting some volatility, even though there's no news today, right? So where is this drop coming from? This 13, 14 points drop. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. One. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Time right now, 9:11, and all this action. I don't know where it's coming from. I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 10 minutes to the open hour job. It is. I don't know. Okay, the real low, ladies and gentlemen. This 57 right here. That's not gonna be taking it anytime soon. So I think that this drop, uh, the dead cat bounce, right? From 57 all the way to 67, those 10 points. I don't think it's a I don't think it's a dead cat bounce. I think it's real. All right then. And if it's not real, right? Hold on a second. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we are on a snake wave. Snake wave is 76 is the high, and this low right here is the low. Okay, snake wave. So how am I doing? All right, so we're gonna have some chop here. All right, so we are in a 19 point. 19 point. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we are in a 19 point wave. It's a snake wave. So I'm not expecting the price to take 57. Not expecting the price to take 76 short term. All right. So 5 minutes to open. Let's see what the what the open momentum is gonna give us. And right. So this is now the immediate, the short term. What's the long term? Where is when the market reveal itself? Where is it going? Okay, let's see. All right, I have no idea. The market, let's see, bada bing, bada boom. Okay. All right, so we have a bearish bias. After the smart money is done taking the bears stops, bringing the price up, then it'll recoil and it'll be looking to go back down, test the low of this snake wave, break it, and continue going down all the way to 50, 50. Price right now 63. So from here, 13 points later on. First, the smart money needs to take the make everybody believe that this bounce right here is real. For Persatico, it is temporary. Okay, and this is what the stock market does 99% of the time. ¿Dónde dije yo que? A 50. Alrighty then. So we have 57 and 50. Okay, that 50 is dynamic. 50, yeah. That 50, ladies and gentlemen, is dynamic, but we're gonna make it target one dynamic, right? So if we're right later on, this thing drops, then we have to pulse it out in when it comes to the counter trend long 50. All right, it would be a counter trend of the medium term play, which is trade what you think is in the future. All right, right now I don't think it's gonna take 57. So it's not gonna take 57. Then we're gonna be uh, dancing around here, right? 63, right? And all right, 63, 65 now, right? Okay, alrighty. Let's see. Okay, let me say, of course. Right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So short term, a fake move up, and then a recall. So if we are in a snake wave, 76, 57, right? And we believe that the longer term is actually bearish all the way to 50. Then the higher the price goes, the better risk reward ratio the bearish play would have, right? Here, for Satico traders, CTC, we take advantage of both. Okay. Right, ladies and gentlemen, short term, long. Where to? Well, um, we all can see there here 70, right? We all can see 70 is the teenagers high, and 73, of course, and then our resistance is 76, right? Okay. All right. So at 9 a.m., I told you this dead cat bounce is it's a fake, right? And I tell you, it's a fake. This bounce is real, short term. So our management is now, since we've known that the short term was going to be bullish, still is, and we are expecting a test of the high 70. Of course, that's a double top, right? The only setup teenagers know. But we think that well, we don't have the odds as to whether it's going to take the high 70, this 70 right here, and continue to 6 more points to 76. What we do now is that 76 is strong enough to stop this bounce, right? That we caught at 61 at 9 a.m. And then it went all the way to 66 and then pulled back all the way to 61 and 61, chop all the way to 63. When I told you, all right, price right now 63 is going to 76, 13, 13 points first, right? So we listen to this. So we know that this is the main play, right? Long, 63, 64, 65, boom, the open came, confirmation, right? Boom, it broke to the upside. Confirmation that we were saying is right. And it is the main play temporarily, right? Okay. Because we take advantage of both. This is trade what you see and trade what you think is the recoil later on. We all know, Mystique, that I can change my mind in the next 3 seconds, right? So what do we do then? Just main exactly. So main play is the loan 63, expecting the price to continue to 76. It's not gonna go to 76 in a straight line. So where are we at? Trailing. Stop break even, trailing. Okay. Boom. Alrighty. This is it. Okie dokie. Right. So nice, right? So 70, so 73, and Persatico's level is 76. But it's not gonna be easy taking this high here, 74. So those traders that know that 76 is the first resistance, jumping the gun because of FOMO, because they know that later on there is good odds that the price is going to drop and they don't want to miss it, right? Also, I told you that we were in a double contraction. Double contraction. I'm expecting a breakout. So if we are right on the direction of the breakout, then we're golden. All righty then. Another one bite the dust. Like the sound. All right. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 75. Look at that gorgeous bite. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this 73, it's a gauge, right? Because this is a strong move up, right? So 73 here, 74. As long as the price is below 74, the bears took control. 74. All righty. So we had target 176. Price goes to 75 half. I told you those professional traders that know that this move up, it's a head fake and a jump the gun 75 because they FOMO, right? I told you. All right, so now that we know that, then um, in case that we are wrong and it's not a head fake, it's real, and it's gonna go to the moon, then now we need to find us a gauge, right? Some type of confirmation that tell us exactly who's in control, short term, and then we know what happens after that. All right. Not to mention that be prepared to have a short day today. I can tell that. Right. I can tell that. Listen to this. I can tell there's not gonna be fun today. It's not gonna be a fun day. What do I mean by fun? Because we have fun every day. It's not gonna be a. It's not. And I don't want to use the word easy. Steve. So it's not gonna be a. It's not gonna be a Lamborghini Ferrari day. I'm not expecting a trending day. I'm not expecting the price to flow to target one, two, three, last target. I'm not expecting that. So that being said, it's only 9:40, and right, and we make what 10, 11, 13, 14 points in 10 minutes. Keep it, all right. I'm telling you, keep it because it's gonna get it's gonna get what's the word I'm looking for? Nasty? Nah, nah, nah. It's gonna get hairy. Exactly. It's not gonna flow. Exactly. And I'm not expecting a flow thing. All right. Okay. All right. So no shenanigans. Okay. Please, are you kidding me? Okay, listen, this 74, you have no idea how difficult it is and how difficult it's gonna continue being. 74, pain in the butt. Below 70, I already told you. Below 74, bears in control. Above 74, bulls in control. That's all right. Where to? I have no idea. All righty. The market is twisted. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we need to make a decision as to whether this move up is going to continue, and it's difficult now because for several reasons. Okay, but just so that you know what it is I'm looking for, I'm looking and listen to this. Okay, I'm looking for uh, at the I'm analyzing the all this action so I'm looking for the odds as to whether this bounce from 58 to 76, this beautiful move up that we nailed at 9 a.m. is also the medium term move. Okay, that's right because we're long. The main place still long, hasn't changed, and but because we trade what we think, also we think that it's a head fake. It's not until we have confirmation otherwise, right? So this is target one, right? 76 76 and of course 76 and 78, right? The teenagers high. And then what's target two in case that the price goes to target one and continue going, then we need target two, right? So we need to know what's target two. Main play still long, and your job is to manage this long main play. Okay, if a trader that is all in, all out. All right, so you wanna be all out this double top right here because we have that future medium term, right? Right. A trader that I don't care, Cappy. I'm low. I'm going to lock profit right here, 76, 78, 2 point range. Stop, break even. I'm trailing, and I'm just gonna wait for you to tell me what target two is. That's it. No stress, And if it changes, I get the hell out, go play tennis, and then tomorrow the CPI. That's it. Oh my God, copy. Yeah, look at that 74, man. It's a big fight. It's a big fight. I know it's a big fight. All right. So, right. So if we are indeed in an uptrend, which one of the trends is uptrend, we know that the main plane is long. Other than 6100, where is he going? And if he's gonna go to 6100, how the hell is gonna get there? Right? Give me a couple of minutes. It's no big deal. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, 74, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I mean when I say 74 is going to be a pain in the butt, right? This is exactly what I mean. All right, so just take it easy. Again, we have the main play, long, snake wave, 78, right? 76, 78. And short term, that long play, stop, break even, trail, as long as above 74, the trail, it's feasible. Where to? All right, I have a by way of 80, okay, boom, 80, by way of 83, by way of 83, okay, above 74, right? The main play, trail, objective is by way of 83, and there is a pretty good chance that we're gonna make it target 2, 83, 83, 86, target 2. All right. Why? I told you that we were in a strong contraction, right? Contraction. Price needs to take off. So we know where it's going. We just need confirmation because we all know that the market can change its time anytime soon, right? So main play long, but where is it going? Where is it looking to go to? 83, 83, 86. I'm pretty sure we're gonna make it a target too, right? But not after the price is away from this 74. It's been half an hour, and I told you the 74 was gonna be a pain in the butt for half an hour, and just could not do it. All right, and and uh, yeah. So how about the longer term? This is the thing, man. So what about the longer term bearish move? As long as it's below 74. So you are sure, right? The 76 and it boom 77, right? So that taking a short above 74, right? Even though you want to go back to 57, you're going against the strongest force, which is still currently bullish. And as long as the price is above 74, don't be a hero. Sure, you can short 79. Of course, you can short 79, right? But you know that you're taking a high risk. You're going against the continuation 83. And you know that above 74, which is already 74. Yeah, think about it. 74, right? 74. It's it's already 17 points above the low 57, right? We just had 57, half an hour ago, right? At 9 a.m., the low was 57. The price is already up 17, 18 points, right? 17, 18, 20 points right now. Look at that, 79. It's not easy to be. It's not easy. Well, I don't want to use the word easy, but you know what I mean, right? It's not high odds to be long the high, is it? Of course not. All right. Okay. But we know that we know right? We know what's going on. Oh, pretty good what's going on, right? Okay. All right. So you know that we are in a snake wave, and you know the main play, you know the longer term, you know what the market is looking to do later on. You know what's gonna give you confirmation as to what direction exactly you should be. You know everything you need to know, right? Copy target one. That's beautiful, man. That beautiful 76, man. Momentum takes it to 78. I love it, man. And not only I locked profit 77, 78. I had the cojones to take a counter trend short, especially on a day like today that you said that this thing is not going, it's not, we're not going to have a trending day. You just said it 45 minutes ago. We're not going to have a trending day. Target one, target two, target three, don't count on it. It's not a Lamborghini day. We're gonna be done pretty soon. Phase 7, half an hour after the market open. Are you kidding me? Of course I'm gonna take the counter trend. I'm gonna take advantage that Prisarico nails every single support and every single resistance. Of course I'm gonna do it. Okay. Well, that's what you should do. All right then. If you know everything, every little move in present, past, and future, gotta do something to take advantage of it, right? Be strong. Don't add to a loser. You know that's thing number one in this room. Add to a loser because, okay, no, 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 no. You don't have to add to a loser. You know exactly what to expect. You know exactly what the market is going to do, right? So just get the hell out, take a small loss, and then when the price begins going your way, you have to have the endurance to let it ride. So break even, start trailing, let the price takes your trail, and look at your P&L, right? If you are present in while the market is doing what it's doing, you're gonna catch that one move that is not only going to erase all the little all the scratches, and it's gonna put you once again beautifully green. You get to pick. All right. So I know that I can be long and I know that I can be short. All right. So let me see which one it's more goes better. Well, hold on a second. Let's go ahead and take some stuff right here. Come on. Right. Kidding me. Look at that. 76. Even the 76. Look at that. All the way to 69, ladies and gentlemen. And we knew all of this stuff. Well, I don't need to blow on my horn because you know what's going on. Gentlemen, let's see. All right, so let's boom. Okay. All right, my friend. Okay. So it looks like our analysis of the move up being a head fake. It looks like we were right on it, doesn't it? What it looks like. From where? From our high snake wave. And of course, 78, everybody knows 78. What nobody knew is this one time going to work or it's not going to work? We had the odds that yes, it's going to work. Why? Because this wave is sideways. We, we've known it since 9 a.m., right? Right. Okay. So we have a fatty, price goes all the way to 80. We have a by way of 83. Couldn't make it. Couldn't pass 80. So 3 points to our by way of. Another confirmation that the counter trend short 78, right? Because 78 is Persaticos and 78 it's the obvious double top, right? And then take advantage of it. Where to, Cappy? Let's see. Remember, I told you I'm not expecting a Lambo day. Target one, target two, target three. I'm not expecting. We're gonna have a short day today. All right. So keep what you have. Keep what you have. So look at it. Right. Of course, the bull. They're not gonna make it easy on the bears. Right. Goldman is bullish and Deutsche Bank is bearish. Uh, that's a big fight. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move up 74 and we're going to move it up just 1.75. Okay. We're going to move 74, right? Our gauge, what's going to tell us exactly who's in control, right? 1 point up to 75. Okay, 75. Man, that 75, it's a very important key level. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember we moved it to 75, and we, of course, still have our 76. So, in other words, that's just so, I mean, look at it. Look at the drop from 79 to 66. Right? Total stop fishing, right? Look at it. Isn't it? I mean, it's like almost laughable how we can tell the tricks of the smart money. That's why we call it the smart money. Gee. All right. So we have 83 by way of, all right, with extreme chop. Maybe we don't know. Um, the market change and decides to trend, for lack of a better word. It decides to go to 1, 2, 3 last, right? Maybe, and that's why trade management it's what really counts, right? We moved it up to 75. We're right here, 75. 74, 75, right? For a whole since the open practically, right? Since the open, right? So for a whole hour. We knew it. So the pullback from 80 to 66, right? Beautiful. A 14-point pullback. It's a pullback of our main play long with the next destination being 83, 86. So a little bit of a high reasoning. So we trade what we think, right? And we think many things. We think we know where the price is going. We think we know how it's gonna get there. We think we know the market, the real condition. We think we know if certain moves are squeezes, right? We think we know all of that stuff. So think about this, no pun intended. If we think that we're not gonna have a trending day, then we still need to lock some profits at certain key levels, right? Well, so the price just went right. So the high, it's 70. What the hell is this? 79 half. So we're gonna call it 80, right? So the high is 80. and we have a by way of it's around the corner, 3 points, right? So remember when I told you it's dynamic, right? Meaning it's a by way of, but there is a good chance that we're gonna make it target two. Whoa, Cappy, you said that we're not expecting target two unless we bring it down. Boom. All right, 83. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's my point. So look at that. From 80 to 83. I know it's only 3 points, but we do want to lock this range right here, 83, 86, and listen to this because it's gonna get a little bit uh, 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 funny. We're gonna make a target two, right? And the market is so difficult. I mean, it's so. I mean, it's so difficult for not for us, but for it's so complex today that we are going to make it target two because it's a small target. It's a small range. It's only 83, 86, right? So when I say don't expect a Lamborghini day, target one, target two, target three, it's a big target one, big target two, big target three, and we're gonna make 100 points. I don't see that happening today. So yes, we still can manage to get out one, two, and three. It's just that it's gonna be a shorter trade. Tell me if that makes sense to you. All right, of course it does. All righty. Okay. All righty, ladies and gentlemen. So tell me, is that um this is crazy. Unbelievable. All right. That makes sense? Yes, Cappy. Of course it makes sense. Of course it makes sense. Yeah. Like, just so that you guys know, hold on a second. And me, this is just too much. It's good to be the king. Mel Brooks. Remember that movie with Mel Brooks? It's good to be the king. Sure is. Amazing. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So that's 86, right? No, not 86. That's 83 and 86. 3 point range. What's the mid range? 84.50, copy. Okay. Just making sure that we are all in the same page. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, ladies and gentlemen, remember, we're gonna pull it out, right? Oh my God, Gabby, yeah. All right. So a target two, ladies and gentlemen, is so we made it target two 83, 86, right? Okay. And the price goes all the way to 87.75. We're gonna call it 88. Oh, okay. Remember that it was dynamic, right? I've been analyzing it, looking at it, looking everywhere. Well, the official target two, whether and this is what I mean. Whether you counter trend short or not, it doesn't matter. But the official target, the official now target two is 90. So 90, you do want to lock profit at 90. Okay, 90. Okay, that's whether I'm gonna say this again. Whether you counter trended short or not, it's a take profit. Hey, Cap, if you're saying it's a solid target two, of course I'm gonna counter trended short. Well, look at the way price broke off of our 83, right? Look at that, 83, 86. Stay there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 minutes in our range. Remember what I told you a couple of weeks ago. The longer it stays there, the weaker it gets. So you all know that. So we have to watch second to second, tick by tick, minute to minute, everything the market is doing, right? Exactly. All right. So because there is new information coming all the time. So, but I do know that we have a solid 90 resistance, and that's still target two. right? If I wasn't expecting a trending day, if I was expecting an okay, average trending day, then the take profit would have been 90. Okay. That's two. Okay. And then, oh my God, Cappy. So are we in a trending day now? Well, yes, but I am expecting another recoil. I'm expecting another. You see that move down from. You see that move down from 80 to 66. The one that we had at 10 a.m. I'm expecting another one. 80 to 66. Right. That's 14, 15 points. I'm expecting another one. All right. So target two official 90. Okay, 90. And target three, right? Is it gonna be 6,100? Right, 6,100, 90, 10 more points above, 10 more points above our target two. All right, I'm still looking. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, hold on a second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go ahead and do a little recap as to what's been happening since we opened the mic at 9 a.m. So we opened the mic and we knew that move down from 70 to all the way to 57 was a squeeze, was a trap, right, by the smart money. And we knew it. So we took advantage of it and we knew that they were going to bounce and then price goes all the way to the 66, come pull back, and then the open confirms that the main play is going to be long. So we take it to target 170. 76, and then we are right now right here at target 290, and our job now is to continue analyzing the action to see if the price is going to test 100 today, or we believe that it will by way of 95. So our target, this is our target two right here, 90, right? So we're good. So we're up, what, 20, 25, 30 points. And our target three, of course, we know 100 is a psychological level. Our exact target, ladies and gentlemen, it's just a couple of points above. It's 102, two more points. By way of what? Of 95. So beginning 95, we're going to begin watching the price dancing around this beautiful, gorgeous, amazing morning. Okay, that's 92, 95. In other words, 102 by way of 95, 96. All right, give me one more point. 96 to 102.